Okay, for the next step, apart from defining functional ROIs, we can also define geometric ROIs. So with geometric ROIs, let's go back again to our contrast that we had. And I'm gonna click on SPM here. And done. I'm gonna select the same contrast so we don't get confused, okay? You can always select another contrast, but just for illustration, I'm going to use the exact same criteria. And note that we have this contrast has the LIFG at a minus 32, 36, and minus 9 location. So I'm going to use this information to define a sphere ROI. Okay, and I'm going to use Mars bar. I'm going to click on build. Oops, I lost that information. Let me call it back. Should have noted that. So let me do it again. Okay, minus 32, 36, and minus 9. So what I will do is take note of that. This table. Okay. Right. So now I have the information here. I'm going to use it to define a sphere. As we talked about in class, the center of the sphere will be the coordinate of that peak, minus 32, 36, and minus 9. And the sphere radius, I recommend using 6 millimeters. That's a pretty acceptable size. And the description, I'm just going to keep the defaults, as well as the ROI file name. I'm also going to go ahead and define a sphere for the other ROI, which is minus 32, minus 68, and 30. So I'm going to use another sphere. I'm going to create another sphere. And this time I'm going to do minus 32, minus 68, and 30. And I'm going to 6 millimeters. And it's going to create the .NET file. All right, just to visualize, I can now view these two spherical clusters, like so. And you'll see them appear here as expected. All right, and you can use this as I did before to extract data from, just in the same way. So there you go. That's for using a geometric way of defining an ROI.